What are the common reasons for a space heater to require resetting?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to be looking at a common issue many people face with their space heaters, the need for constant resetting. If you've ever wondered why your space heater keeps needing a reset, you've come to the right place.
What is a space heater reset?
A space heater reset occurs when the device's built-in safety features trigger it to turn off. This usually happens when the heater's internal components become too hot or when the device detects abnormal operation. It's important to understand that these resets are safety measures designed to prevent overheating and possible fire hazards.
Common causes for space heater resetting.
Overheating. The most common reason for a space heater to require a reset is overheating. This can happen if the heater is working too hard, such as when trying to heat a larger room than it's designed for, or when it's left running for a long period without breaks. Also, if the heater's air intake or output is blocked, this can cause overheating as well. Faulty thermostat. Another possible cause is a faulty thermostat. If the thermostat isn't functioning correctly, it might not be able to properly regulate the heater's temperature. As a result, the device could become too hot and trigger a safety shut-off. Internal wiring issues. If there are problems with the internal wiring of your space heater, it might also cause the device to need a reset. These issues could include loose connections or damaged wires that interfere with the normal operation of the heater. Tilt switch malfunction. Space heaters often have a tilt switch that turns off the heater if it's knocked over. If this feature is malfunctioning, it might trigger a shut-off even when the heater is upright. This would cause the device to require a reset due to a tilt switch malfunction.
What to do when your space heater needs constant resetting?
First, check for any obvious issues like blocked air intakes or outputs and clear any obstructions. Ensure the heater is not being used in an overly large space and isn't running continuously for long periods. If the problem persists, it may be due to a more serious issue like faulty wiring or a malfunctioning thermostat. In this case, it's best to consult with a professional. Attempting to fix these issues yourself can be dangerous if you're not familiar with the inner workings of electrical appliances. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the reasons why a space heater might require constant resetting. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of this common issue and how to address it. Remember, when in doubt, always seek professional help to avoid any safety hazards. Stay warm and safe.